Hey, what's up, everyone? Let me share my screen. Which surprisingly, for someone who is a, a beginner, basically a chump, uh, doing these streams, um, I got a decent amount of views, comments, some likes, and some new subscribers, which I really appreciate. Thank you guys. Um, yeah, I think one of the things that I noticed about live streams is that they can get pretty long, 30 minutes plus. And compare a live stream to like a traditional YouTube video, like one of these. That's, let's say, a minute 38, 10 minutes, 5 minutes. It could be a little challenging to like make it a video that is useful for someone coming back to the video, the live stream in the future. When I actually filmed the last live stream, there was not many people who viewed it live. These views were I mean, all of them were from after uploading it to YouTube. And so I thought to myself, okay, what would make this video a bit easier for people who are coming to it for the first time to like go through the chapters, um, and go through the videos basically, which led me to YouTube chapters. But if you go to the video, let's see, go to the video. Um, so sometimes you'll see chapters here, and you'll see the I guess the video toolbar, which showed the chapters. Um, but yeah, that's not there. And so I started going through YouTube and trying to figure out how could I generate chapters. I looked over here. I saw that I had to generate chapters. Yeah, it was checked already. I also saw that if I go into settings and I go into upload defaults, advanced settings, it was also enabled here, but it's still not working. Maybe there's something else that I am missing, but I thought it should be a cool opportunity to just do this live here. Um, and yeah, maybe there's something worth sharing here that might be beneficial to someone else. So yeah, let's do that. And eventually, I'll come back to building my own version of Lisp with C. Um, but anyway, let's keep going here. So I have a project that has Python installed. Um, it has OpenAI API key, and it's capable of like making requests to OpenAI. This is a new laptop. That's the reason why I'm installing these extensions for the first time. Yeah. Um, yeah. So it's calling OpenAI and also another API, that a random API that I found, and making requests. And we can just verify that is working. If I do uv run main.py, cool. You see that it makes a request to OpenAI and gets the response back, which shows us that it's working and it has content. Cool. So let's see. So I was looking at how exactly we can create YouTube chapters. And so my idea is what we could do is we could take the transcript of the video. We can pass it over to GPT, and then we can just have GPT summarize portions of the video, maybe, and then through the time in which um, through the time of through the I don't know the entire duration of the video, it should be able to generate chapters for sections of the video. I'm thinking it'd probably be a cool idea if we also had like some type of like system instructions. So let's say if you as a user wanted to fine tune your chapters and make it more intuitive depending on your audience. Let's say your audience was age 13 to 18 or whatever, you might use different language compared to, let's say, your audience was uh, 18 plus and were tech CEOs or CTOs or whatever. Yeah, that could probably like fine tune the response that we could get back from OpenAI for the chapters. Um, but yeah, idea is we're going to use the transcript, and we're going to pass it to GPT, and we're going to generate the chapters through that. The format of the chapters from going through here. Um, Same video. Yes, it is. Okay. Let's just look at this real quick. Mute it. Uh, so let's just give that a try. Hmm, let's give that a try. Hmm, let's see, about halfway through. All right, and let's hit save. Cool. So then, if this worked, we should probably see those chapters on the video. Here you go. Test 1 and test 3. Oh, I messed up. Come back over here, remove that, save, refresh, save this. Cool, and that works. Why is it not showing up here? Maybe it just takes some time to apply. So this works, but the chapters themselves are not showing up. I have a feeling that it just takes a while to just render. Whoa. Mm, I guess at the very least that this is working right now. We can check this again and see if this solves it. If it solves itself. Um, just verify here. Hmm. Oh, there it is. Yeah, so it took a little while to render uh, these I guess the chapters in the video toolbar. Cool. Alrighty. Let's see. All right, so we verified that this works. Let me give me 1 second. we'll get started here. Actually coding. We're gonna get started with actual coding in a bit. All right. Um, cool. So let's do this. Let's do this. Um, let's see. What are we gonna call this? YouTube chapter generate. Okay. Let's see. Let's oh, not this one. Okay, I could just move it, but whatever. Mhm. Actually, why am I complicating this for? Let's just come over here and just rename this. Copy, move to trash. Let's rename this one to that. And all right. So if everything is working well still, we should be able to do that. No, go into the directory, dir env Okay, and then we should be able to do uv run main.py. Cool, so this is working. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is figure out how to get the YouTube transcript. So let's see. YouTube get transcript. Let's see what people say. YouTube to text, U video to text. We want to probably have some API. I'm sure YouTube probably has an API for this. YouTube transcript API. Okay. Is it that easy? Is it that easy? Maybe it is. Well, let's say video ID. How do you know the video ID? Oh, right there, I guess. All right. Let's add that package. Okay. And let's get that. Comment that out. Comment that out. Put that here. Can't find it yet. Fine. And then we have video ID. Let's not kill this thing with a really long video. I mean, I assume that it's going to take a while. Actually, if the API is just grabbing from like YouTube, this probably is really fast because YouTube has generated transcripts already. I'm trying to get like let's just do this one, Encore. Okay. I assume that this is the video ID. Okay. Let's come over here, add that, just want English. Okay. I believe that's the video ID, so it's gonna go and download the library, and try to call it. The results are in. TS is faster. Does it say that? Okay. The results. Encore. Okay. Nice. So it's actually pretty fast because it's grabbing it from YouTube. So, which I mean, it might have its own problems because um, we're going with the idea that YouTube has the best transcriptions, and personally, I don't think that's necessarily always true. But for the sake of what we're doing right now, we can optimize that later. Nice. Okay, so this is live. Nice, nice. This is like my third attempt at trying. That is right. It was my third attempt at um trying to stream. But anyway, so cool. So we have and we also have timestamps. Starts at 3:08. Duration 3:08. What do you mean starts at 3:08? Starts at 3:08. Is that like the time of day? Oh, someone commented something here. Let's see. Adele. Working. YouTube chat. YouTube chapter. Generator. Okay. Well, anyway, let's first get the I don't know what these times are though, actually. Let's see. Duration. What do you if anyone's watching here, what do you guys think duration is for? Like chapters in the comments, like 3 would be start of the chapter. Here the duration of the chapter, how long it is. Um You can tell because the next chapter starts at plus duration. Uh, but where is start then? Oh, okay. Wait. Start. Got it. Duration. Start. Hmm. Let's see something. For each in transcript. um, let's see. Let's at least do that first. Each start duration. Oh shit. Nope, that's not what I want to do. Oh man, keep going. Oh. Oh wait, do I print the entire? Oh damn it. Actually, let's first do that. Let's get that out of the way. These 100-line dashes is a little obsessive. I mean, aggressive. Sorry. 2 or 3. Yeah, I don't know. I guess it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Let's come back to this. All right, cool. So we have the entire transcript. I feel like I wish I could know when it started. Because then if you know when it starts, what the fuck does that mean? The duration part, I think, is what's confusing. I think start makes sense, but the duration is what makes it a little confusing. So let's say, why am I killing myself here? Let's just do one time. Let's say, okay, cool. Three. This is like my third attempt at trying. So technically, 308. For support. Oops, those were supposed to be new lines. Okay, 00 introduction, 0015 consistently over. Yeah, so that's what I'm trying to generate, Sean A. BJJ. Yeah, no, that's what I'm trying to generate. However, I'm trying to figure out what the start and duration is, because these are not the chapters that I have on here are chapters that I created myself in the comments, and then YouTube automatically adds the chapters, which makes me think start is the time the chapter starts into the video. Yeah, I don't know. So one of the reasons why I started this project or stream was because YouTube was not generating those chapters for me, even though I had all the settings in place to do that. So I wonder if maybe they just didn't do it for lives, or maybe I'm missing a setting. But I thought this would be a good project to basically take the transcript and make these chapters using GPT. And I'm hoping could also be a potential feature is you can supply like some system instructions where you can basically change your chapters depending on your audience. So let's say you might have jujitsu athletes following your channel. Uh, it might make sense for you to include some keywords in the chapter generation, so it spells like de la hiva correctly, versus I don't know YouTube trying to do it. Um, or maybe you might determine that certain chapter is more important based off of the jiu-jitsu athlete, and so yeah, hopefully the chapters are a little bit more smart for your audience. That was the idea. But wait, I'm trying to let me read this one more time. Put like that introduction. So yeah, that's when it starts. 00 introduction. That's when it starts. Okay, that makes sense. And YouTube automatically adds the chapters, which makes me think. Yeah, yeah. And by the way, I don't think you're disagreeing what I was saying about the chapter thing, but YouTube, from what I understand, YouTube has a feature that allows YouTube to generate the chapters for you. It should go and generate this for you. There's a feature for that. Actually, if you go to settings, you go to upload defaults, advanced settings, allow automatic chapters and key moments. But that didn't work for me. And then also, if you go to here, you can go to show more, allow automatic chapters, and that didn't work as well. Uh, yeah, 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 yeah. But okay, going back to this, what the is this? If this is working as it should, I feel like it should say 00. It's starting at 00. Oh, well, gotcha. Yeah, I never use that feature. I've always manually created them in the description. Yeah. Supposedly, YouTube is supposed to do it for you. Yeah, supposedly. Okay, it's still. What was the other ones? Duration. Let's see. Maybe duration is going to. Yeah, what would be a good test? What would be a good test? Well, let's first do duration. Try to understand. 4599. 599. Hmm. Hmm. Or is start when I start actually talking? You know, I really don't know. This is the shit about using some some of these open source tools. YouTube V3. Yeah. I'm trying to think what would be a good test. I feel like a good test would be actually hear me out. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna create a calculator. Sorry. total duration. Each duration should be some type of float. Let's see. Oh, thank you, GT. Okay, that's going to be some big ass number. Yep. 5573. And we can even ask GPT something here. We can be like, yo, bro, convert these seconds into minutes. I think that's seconds. Should be seconds. Okay. 92.89 minutes. So that's wrong. That's clearly wrong because this is 57:27. Okay, so then let's change that then to start. Start. Sure. Total time. Total duration. Nope, that's fucking wrong too. That's wrong. That is wrong. So what the hell does this time? Translate transcript. Why is there a transcript fetch? It's list transcripts. Is there an API like Doc that we can use? List transcripts. Retrieve the available transcripts. Let's remove some of this. Let's try doing this. For each in transcript list, print each. Let's just look at that first. Transcripts disabled, okay. Oh, docs are in the code. Let's see. Video ID, the YouTube video ID. Okay, cool. It's a string. Languages. Cool. Preserve formatting. Cool. What does it do? A list of transcripts. Find the transcript by the language. Then it fetches the transcript. Okay. It fetches the transcript. Find transcript by language. Find transcript, manually created transcripts, generated transcripts. Okay. It's a list. Language codes and transcript. I'm trying to figure out what does the start and the duration mean because it seems a little funky. Wait a minute, I just realized something. The reason why start was probably this total duration using start was messed up was because yeah, it's adding up the start. So the start might be actually like where it starts in the what do you call in the video. So the one of the last starts should be like 57 something. One of the last starts should be 57 something. Print each start break, and I think we could reverse it. Um, Actually, instead of going through the entire list, why don't we just get the last one? Print transcript, get the last one, and just see what that looks like. The last one should be technically then it's just something like 57 something. Okay, I think that's it. Um, uh, get the start. Print that out. Let's print that timeout. Okay. 57:37. Yeah, 37. This is annoying. Why is the time so off? um. So why is the time so freaking off? Okay, so I'm thinking here. So the time is clearly a little off. It's a little off. I wonder if maybe there's some weird rounding shit going on. 57:36. I mean, the video is 57:27, so clearly that's messed up. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Um, that's strange that if this is YouTube, YouTube's data would be messed up because I feel like the transcripts on these videos are pretty the captions. Oh, actually, now that I think of it, YouTube's closed captions are always a little later, isn't it? Or is it and that could be the reason why the time is a little slow. So what am I gonna do here? What am I gonna do? Let's see. Let's see if there's another video. YouTube closed captions API. YouTube data API. Uh Nah, that sucks. Subtitles. The pilot lets you read the transfer style for giving to videos. It also works automatically generating subtitles, supports translating subtitles, and it does not require a headless browser like some other Selenium-based solutions. This is a little trickier than what I expected or thought this would be. All good, all good. Um, YouTube closed caption download. Is there an easy way to download it from YouTube? We don't need that. Delhi Hiva guard. We don't need that. Is there an easy way to download closed captions actions? No. Edit. No. Channel subtitles. Can you download them? Automatic caption. Oh, what is this? Oh, okay. Let's see. Dot VTT. What is dot VTT? Dot VTT file. Text-based file that contains video, audio tracks, transcript, and time codes to sync captions to video. That sounds promising. That sounds like what we need. Download .vtt. Okay. Cool. Can we open it here? Oh, yes, we can. Cool. Now this looks. Oh, Sean says, I think you download their generated transcripts from the API. From YouTube's API? It's text that's pretty human readable. Ah, yes. Actually, Sean, this looks very similar to getting transcripts off of jujitsu videos. I know we talked about that. This looks like the same format that you showed me. Yeah, but you found a way via the web. Yeah. But this is what we need. Okay, so let's do this. How? Oh, damn, this file is gigantic. That's gonna probably kill my context window on what's it called, on ChatGPT, which we don't want. I wonder. Let's see something. Why can't I not get into Claude? What the hell? Claude. Are they like that something? Try Claude. Oh, Claude.ai or I don't know. Let's come over here. Let's see if I paste this in long problem that may take multiple minutes to respond. Okay, sure. Let's say generate chapters for YouTube. Let's just do that. And let's give us some system prompt. Let's say consider the following. Users are technical and I don't know what, can code or are interested in coding. Sure. Let's give a random. Actually, you know what this tool should do? This tool should actually take the analytics, which if I might say, it doesn't look too bad. I mean, for someone who's a chump on YouTube. Anyway, go to audience. Let's see. They're not subscribed. They're from the United States. It would be cool if the chapters can generate. I probably just don't have a lot of people who watch it, so YouTube is just like, don't worry, bro. You don't care about analytics. Just make more videos. But yeah, it would be cool if you can generate the chapters based off these analytics in your audience from past videos. That would be cool. Anyway, technically in code or interested in coding. Let's see what else. What else? What else? What else? From the United States, speak English, I guess. What else? What else? Age 14 to 30, 40, sure. Let's just start with that. That's just a simple prompt. Let's see what will happen. Claude is going through the entire file, which is pretty big. I guess another system prompt that we could potentially do is like limit the number of chapters we want. Ooh, look at that. Based on the video time. Previous streaming time. Overview. Okay. Background in C programming. What makes C? Nice. Yo, this is actually kind of fire. Let's come over here. Let's just put that in because we know that's pretty nice. Does YouTube take seconds? I'm assuming it takes seconds. They're pretty smart, right? They should be. Save. You can generate time codes from anything. Nice, nice. Or maybe before you are generating it, Sean, I can try to have this working. I don't know what like should this be if I can get this end to end working, whatever what does end to end look like here? Should it be like some plugin or just some regular app? I mean, probably not important. I should just finish on making it end to end first and then come back to that. I guess my question more is like, how do people want to access this? Or how would people access this? If you're technical, you can get it off of GitHub, I guess, and put it up there. Anyway, these look like they work, which is nice. And we determined previously that this takes a while to render the chapters in the toolbar here, but it does end up showing up, which is, oh wait, there it is. Ooh, there's something about this pretty satisfying to see the actual chapters. Understanding Polish notation, implementing parser. That's pretty. I might say that's pretty fire. That's pretty cool. Okay. Anyway, I really didn't do much in coding perspective because it was just a manual process. So now we've done this manual process. Let's write some notes down. Excalidraw. Let's write some notes down because whoa, that is bright. Let's make this dark mode. Cool. Post YouTube. Sean's maybe you can make this a web app. You can post YouTube URLs. Yeah, I think that's good because I think it's a good idea, Sean. Because also I think the same chapter idea works for Twitter or X or whatever. You can post chapters to videos. Might as well do it one place, and then you can save it on both YouTube and Twitter. Okay, cool. So let's see what we've learned so far. So the .vtt format file is what we need. We need to pass in a system instruction and potential things that we can pass in are like age, demographics, maybe, I don't know, language, whatever. Um, future, feature, maybe future feature. Grab analytics from your YouTube channel to figure out your audience, and then you can pass that in. Um, let's see. System instructions for that. Actually, instead of putting all this, I'm just gonna put audience demographic. Sure. What else? What else? What else? What else? System instructions for audience demographics, keywords, um, limit on chapters. Maybe we can have a max and a min. Max and min. Min and max. Sorry. Number of chapters. Let's see. Let's come back to Claude here for a second. And I'm just going to take an example of what this looks like. I just realized something that I guess we can use this to generate the title too, or like what Sean mentioned. Let's come over here. Oh, not this one. Where'd it go? Right there. Put that here for reference. Whoa. Put that here for reference. Let's see. The outputs. Let's put it here. Output. Chapter. The YouTube chapters, whatever. In the correct format. Title. We can have GPT create titles that are I don't know, more attractive to your demographic of users and where they're from and all that. Put a little arrow there. Little arrow. This is kind of ugly. Let's move that down. Move that here. Cool. That's an example. Cool. So we know we need the .vtt format. All right. So we have some notes here, and we need to actually write this out now. So captions.vtt. So instead of me hurting my head trying to figure this out, why don't I just ask GPT or even Claude here? I'll be like, hey, not even hey, I don't even need to say hi. Hey, how can I grab the captions.vtt file off of YouTube using an API or anything else? I don't know what anything else is. Anything else I think could be like, I don't know, scraping? No, but then they would need to log in and stuff, and that doesn't seem correct. PyTube. Using the YouTube data API, using PyTube. Oh, before I forget here real quick, I'm just going to take a screenshot of what Sean suggested. And then I'll put that here for future. Because after it's built, we need to figure out how we're going to get it out to other people. Anyway, going back to here. So there's this YTDLP and PyTube. That might be a better library. PyTube. When was PyTube last? 2 years ago? What's the chances it still works? Let's try this one. Pip. This isn't the one we're using right now. Whoa, there's a lot of stars. 2 weeks ago. That seems promising. That seems promising. So let's go back here. YT. But it's a command line tool. That's freaking annoying. Pip install YT DLP dependency. What if you want to use it? What if you want to use it like in your code? I don't want to use it as a. Oh, you know something? I just realized someone told me about this library pretty recently. Someone told me about this library pretty recently. I mean, this is ugly as hell. I don't want to have to. Okay, okay. Yeah, someone told me about this thing, like the actual app that you can download the CLI tool. That seems to be the most promising one, but that's annoying. Let's see. The main.py, not PyProject. Let's put that here. Oh, not Y, not T, YT DLP. Okay, let's come back here. UV room. There must be a way. What's this? Oh. What? Oh, come on. I've been so used to Nix. If you guys are familiar, if you've seen Nix before, Nix does not, you don't need the comma. It just knows the space. Like that's the next item. Anyway. Okay, sure. So now we have YTDLP. Let's see what this does. Oh, and then I feel like this one probably is gonna take longer to do it. So what we can do is let's find another video that's shorter. Let's just get this one. Let's get here. Let's put that here. Put that here. YT? Which YT? DLP? Not found. Interesting. Before I just rule out PyTube might be perfectly fine. Let's just give that a try for sanity. For sanity purposes, why PyTube? Okay. Let's just get that. Let's put this here, main.py. Comment that out. From PyTube, import YouTube. Okay. And let's do sure, just like that. And let's get a video that's not crazy long. This one. Let's put this here. Okay. Let's see what happens. UV run main.py. None type object has no attributes XML captions. Am I gonna have to go in there and try to understand what's going on? Because the whole thing was, I didn't want to have to do that. Call to deprecated function get by language code. This object can be treated as a dictionary. Get by language code. Lang code is a string. Caption track. Lang code index. Lang code. Option, caption. Okay. Well, we've been on here for an hour and made okay progress. I think I have a plan of action that I'm gonna try to execute on. I have some notes here, but let's call it a night, and I will continue working on this because I need this tool for not only this video that's an hour long, but my previous video, and hopefully it'll be a tool that I could use for future videos and one that I can share with people um, online. Um, yeah, I think that's it for this one. Call it there.